Hey everybody, what's going on? Today I've got 2019 Bowman blaster boxes. I went ahead and assumed that my local Hellmart wouldn't have these, and I was in there yesterday and saw that was correct. And for some reason, the Target closest to me has stopped selling cards. I guess every time I went in there, there was people like Pat searching and just tearing that little area apart. I don't know, weighing stuff and just acting a fool. So I guess they decided it was just not in their best interest to carry cards at that store any longer. So I mean, that really sucks for me, but whatever. So I ordered these online from Walmart, actually in advance of release. They actually had pre-order available, so I thought that was pretty cool. Anyways, they just arrived. Here we are, Saturday morning. I don't know if I'll get this video up today, but if not, tomorrow for sure. I'll try to get it today though. 72 cards per box, 6 packs, 12 cards per pack. I don't know if there's any kind of hit or anything. I doubt it. I think last year you got an autograph like one every, was it 2 boxes or 4 boxes? I got a good couple of autos. I was, one of those people that was sucked up in the Otani craze and going around trying to get my hands on some 2018 Bowman, and I ended up pulling a couple of autos. There are the odds. Looks like, yeah, the color stuff, even sky blue, 1 in 90 packs. So, and that's like the easiest. I see another version. That's base sky blue. Prospect sky blue is 1 in 60. That's still pretty tough if you're opening blaster boxes only. But we'll see what we get here. Maybe between 2 of them I'll get lucky and pull a little paper auto. I don't know if it's paper autos exclusively. It seems like I remember last year the only autos that I did get out of blasters were paper autos, not chrome. So that may be the deal. I'm not entirely sure. Comment below if you know. Let me know in case I buy any more of these. Alright, let's do this. Myers, Pilar, Molina, Foley, rookie, Lowe, Hudson, Jansen, lots of rookies in this pack. Chrome, Matt Mercer, Chrome, Cole Tucker, Dane Dunning, Kaboom! Wright, Givens, Carpenter, Franco, Bellinger, Cabrera, Baez, Chrome, Tatis Jr. ready for the show. Tatis Jr. paper, De La Cruz Chrome, Wynn, Kevin Smith. Abreu, Chris Archer, Stroman, Kristen Stewart. What is this? Guillerme, Cave, Otani, oh, nice. A Joe Adele Chrome Refractor to $4.99. That's pretty sweet from a blaster. Chrome Sigler, Helio Ramos, and Duplantier. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Ramirez, Romuto, Chapman, Haniger, Lindor, Betts, Daz Cameron, top 100, number 84. Medina, Casey Mize, Bowman Chrome. Jordan Adams, Chrome, Webb, and Costello. Ozzie Albies, Lariano, Baruki, I guess, Chance Adams, Justice Sheffield, Mullins, Justin Dunn, Chrome, Talent Pipeline Chrome, Marlins, Neidert, Dean, and Pompey. Trammell, Luzardo Chrome, McKenna, and Chisholm. Last pack of box 1. I promised I'd learn this night how to pronounce this. Losaga? I don't know. De Los Santos, Greinke, Suarez, Anderson, Davis, a 30th anniversary. Wait, this is Chrome. Reggie Lawson. Who is this? It's got to be a young player. Ian Anderson. Singer, Ruiz, Matt Manning, Jordan Adams. That is box 1, so the highlight of that was definitely the Adele refractor. Crawford, Guzman, Chris Bryant, Mancini, Garcia, Wilson, Stewart, Hankins, Chrome, Jimenez, Chrome, Franklin Perez, Chavis, and Bo Burrows. Tellez, Mike Trout, Scooter, Perez, Hader, Aaronola, Chrome, Nolan Gorman, Valera, top 100, 97, so he's at the bottom there. Johnson, Blake Rutherford, Chrome, Brandon Marsh, and Joe Adele paper. Stick this with my Joe Adele refractor. Diaz, Odor, Rizzo, Acuna, Garcia, McNeil, Brian Hayes, Chrome, Jansen, Rookie of the Year favorites, K, Pearson, Chrome, Brian Hayes, and D.L. Hall. Duggar, Shaw, Tucker, Arenado, Kershaw, Rosario, Bo Bichette. Ready for the show? I think he is ready for the show. Thompson, Chisholm, Chrome, Ian Anderson, Chrome, Sean Murphy, Sigler, Longoria, Adamas, there's Juan Soto, Merrifield, Ward, Kramer, Newman, Mesa, Chrome, Nolan Gorman paper, Sixto Sanchez, Chrome, May, and Killamay. Last pack. If I don't get anything, it'll be here. Now or never. Ostudillo, Kopech, Freeland, Rosario, Judge, Wendell, Griffin, Canning, Chrome, Kopech, top 100, number 8, Austin Beck, Keegan Thompson, Chrome, Paddock, and Mesa. So not much happening in that box. Yeah, not much going on there. This is it. No autograph, just that one refractor. Other than that, just a bunch of paper and chrome rookies and prospects and inserts. So I don't know, do what you will with that. Again, I don't know like what the odds are, what the autographs fall. If it's 1 per 4 boxes, that's actually a lot to spend. Although, if you think of it like this, if you really don't care what auto it is and you have to buy 4 blasters for 80 bucks, you know, that's a cheaper way to get one auto than to spend up 125 or whatever the hobby boxes are at now to get one auto. But you know the difference there, that the auto and the hobby box, of course, stands a chance of being a much better auto. So do with all that information what you will. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care. I have what's coming up next week? Is it Contenders Draft Football, I think? And we've got Score on the horizon and something else, and of course I can't remember because I never prepare myself very well for these videos. But there's something else coming out next week as well, I think, and I've got it all pre-ordered anyway, so I'll have it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below, let me know what you know about 2019 Bowman Blasters, because you guys always have more information than I do even, so it helps me a lot. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.